Physiology of the nephron. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney, and this is responsible for maintaining fluid, electrolyte, and acid base balance while producing urine. Each kidney contains nearly 1 million nephrons working continuously to filter blood. So the process begins in the renal corpuscle. Blood enters through the afferent arteriole into the glomerulus, a network of capillaries. Hydrostatic pressure drives plasma water and small solutes across the filtration membrane into Bowman's capsule. This process is known as glomerular filtration. Water, sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate, glucose, amino acids, and urea are freely filtered, whereas blood cells and plasma proteins are retained within the circulation. The filtrate then enters the proximal convoluted tubule, where nearly 65 to 70% of filtered water and sodium are reabsorbed. Almost all glucose, amino acids, and a large proportion of bicarbonate are also reclaimed. At the same time, certain waste products and drugs are secreted from the blood into the tubular fluid. Next, the filtrate passes through the loop of Henle. The descending limb is highly permeable to water but relatively impermeable to sodium chloride, allowing water to leave the tubule. In contrast, the ascending limb is impermeable to water and actively reabsorbs sodium, potassium, and chloride. So, this creates a medullary osmotic gradient essential for concentrating urine. In the distal convoluted tubule, fine regulation of electrolytes occurs. Sodium is reabsorbed while potassium and hydrogen ions are secreted according to the body's needs. Finally, the filtrate reaches a collecting duct where hormones precisely regulate the final composition of urine. Antidiuretic hormone or ADH increases water reabsorption in the collecting duct, producing concentrated urine. Aldosterone enhances sodium reabsorption while increasing potassium secretion. Atrial natriuretic peptide hormone promotes sodium excretion, whereas parathyroid hormone increases calcium reabsorption. The blood supply follows a parallel pathway from the afferent arteriole to the glomerular capillaries, then through the efferent arteriole into the peritubular capillaries and vasa recta, allowing efficient reabsorption and secretion. In summary, nephron physiology consists of 4 integrated processes: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, and final excretion. So together these mechanisms maintain homeostasis by regulating body fluid volume, electrolyte balance, acid-base status, and the elimination of metabolic waste through urine.